This training video is brought to you by K-Alliance. K-Alliance provides high-quality instructor-led training videos for desktop, IT, and soft skills. Visit us online at www.kalliance.com to sign up for your free 7-day trial. Be sure to like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and we hope you learned something new. Real videos, real learning, real success.
Microsoft Excel extensions are .xls or .slxs for the most part. There are a few exceptions to that, but for the most part, those are the extensions that you're going to be using. So when you want to open a file in Excel that's not an XLS or an XLXS, then what you need to do is just try it, open it, see if it works. It'll either work or it won't work. Now there are some that are easy to open in Excel, like an Access file, very easy to open in Excel, and there are some text files that are very easy to open in Excel. Anytime a file has the word delimited, delimited just means separated by. So if someone says they have a comma delimited file or a space delimited file, that just means that data is separated by commas and or spaces. So what we're going to do is we're going to go get a delimited file and bring it into our Excel workbook so we can see what it's like to import information into Excel. We just have a blank sheet of paper here, and when we want to import, you go to the data ribbon, and on the data ribbon, here are all your choices for getting external data. Well, ours is a text file that we're going to go get, so we're going to click from text, and I already have set mine up. I'm in the C drive where I have a file called, and I created this, I called it Managing Data Tab Delimited for Import. So it's tab delimited is how this file is set up. Clicking on import is all I need to do. And what automatically happens when Excel cannot understand data is it says, we've got to fix it. We have to do something to identify what kind of data this is. And we already know that it's a delimited file, so that's accurate. We do want to start at row 1, and we're going to go on to the next tab. And in the next tab, it says, well, how is it delimited? This particular one is a tab delimited, but if you don't know, you can just click. You see semicolon didn't work, because what we're looking for down here at the bottom is we're looking for lines to show up where the columns are going to break. So it's not semicolon, it's a tab delimited file, and as soon as I select tab, then it behaves just fine. I don't have any problems at all. And then I'll go on to next, and when I go on to next, this is simply a formatting feature. So if I click on a column, as I click on the columns, they become dark. What I would do is I would select a column, and then if I wanted to change the format, I would go up here to the top to change the format. I'm happy with all of my formats, so I'm not going to change any, but if you wanted to, that's how you would change. And if there's a column that you want to skip, like I don't need the division column, then I could just say, hey, don't import that, skip that particular column. And see how it changes the title? It says, okay, skip the column. Well, we're finished now, so we'll go ahead and click the Finish button, and it says, where do you want to put it? I want to put it right there in cell A1, so this is perfect. But if it's not, you just identify exactly where you want to place your data, and then you say, okay. And you can see, let me just zoom out, you can see that I now have a full new spreadsheet full of data that I can work with that came in from my delimited file.
We hope you enjoyed this preview video. Please click on the like button below if you did, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Be sure to visit us at www.kalliance.com to sign up for your free 7-day trial today. You could learn a lot in a week.